I just want to clear the air here about realistic price targets for DJT. And with today's price action comes with a lot of concern on where the stock is headed. So I'm going to explain the swing cycle as easy as I can. Also, we're going to take a brief look at realistic end of the year price target for Tesla and what to expect this upcoming earnings report. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. And just as a reminder, I will be going live on Friday, 10 a.m. Central Time with those real-time stock alerts with a co-host by the name of Alpha Trades. Make sure you check out his YouTube channel. It will be pinned in the comment section below. Also, his name is tagged in this title as well. So make sure you guys check that out and set that reminder so you will be notified when the stream actually starts. So with no further ado, again, let's dive right in. And first stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, of course, is DJT. Now, as you all know, we have been in DJT since this rally has started. In fact, alerted this thing back on the 24th, okay, at 8:49 a.m. for the entry price of $12.40 on 9/24. And as you guys can see here, we got in the stock on the bottom out day. So we kind of know this swing cycle that we're currently in here in DJT, and I just want to explain it to you guys. As you guys can see here, we do see healthy pullbacks from time to time here in DJT, which is healthy. Now, this wide range of pullback may come with concern, especially with a lot of people that did buy into DJT here today. With that also being said, we're seeing a lot of astronomical price targets that a lot of people are tossing out there to expect DJT to actually reach before the election, and I'm going to clear the air on a lot of that FUD. As you all know, DJT's major retracement came due to aggressive short selling and the capital trend don't lie. If you have been keeping up with the channel, as you all know, for those that is new, let me refresh you. If the stock is traded at a selling price or higher, it will be counted as an inflow of funds. If the stock is traded at a purchase price or lower, it is counted as outflow of funds. All right. So with that being said, the block orders does account for extra large and large scale orders tend to be used by hedge funds and or institutions. Let's get that straight. With that being said, seeing as though that the outflow in favors that black orders lets us know more shorting went on than covering. Anytime that you're shorting the stock, you're going to be putting that thing under the purchase price or lower because you want to get it filled quickly. Same thing as buying a stock. If you're buying a stock, you're going to put it above the price because you want to get it filled quickly. With this being said, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know with more shorting going on here today, and looking at today's price action, we do not see a major sign that covering went on here today from today's huge shorting pattern. Well, throughout today's huge short ladder attack, let's say that. With that being said, lets us know a lot of those short positions is being carried over here for tomorrow's trading. If we do see some buying pressure roll into DJT, we may see a forced short cover take place throughout the trading day. Now, the levels that will ensure that for sure is if we do open above 33.85, because that was the trading day high, which means any short positions taken throughout the trading day will be in a bad situation come open. With that being said, currently looking at $26.10. I know that is far-fetched, but I am giving you guys the numbers. We haven't gotten today's short sell analysis just yet, which we do get around 10 p.m. Central Time each and every day here on Moo, and I will be updating you guys later in the Discord on the likelihood of the DJT short cover wave, because we do want to actually see how many total shares were shorted here backed by that ratio. Okay, as you guys can see here, Monday of 59.22 million in total trading volume, with today's coming in at 99.37. So it's going to be very interesting on the total short count here for today's trading, but the likelihood of a short cover taking place from what I see here today is 50-50 due to the high short sale activity that's clearly here. Now, if we do see the buying pressure actually take place, things is actually going to turn around. It's going to be like a 90% chance. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you're currently holding DJT, let me know in the comment section below. Now, today's pullback doesn't come with too much concern. We were severely overbought, and this is a healthy pullback. Now, if we fall into a multi-day retracing situation, what we are looking for to bounce off this mid Bollinger Band, of course, is going to continue to get higher as the days go by. But if we break through the mid Bollinger Band to the downside, ladies and gentlemen, things can get bad pretty darn quickly. We can fall and find ourselves riding this lower. Now, I don't think that is the case due to the fact that the high anticipation of DJT actually winning the election. All right. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, do not panic. It is huge short positions taken here today. And if we do see adequate buying pressure throughout the pre-market here tomorrow, 33.85 will be the floor for sure. But as far as the realistic price target for DJT, ladies and gentlemen, I do see this thing reaching as high as $57 tops before the actual election. I'm seeing a lot of people say $100 to $300. That is pretty far-fetched. We have to actually reach certain price targets and assess the type of price action that we're receiving as crossing those type of price targets. Ladies and gentlemen, putting those type of price targets out will make you hold the bag, okay? Will make you miss out on a cash grab opportunity, and that is something that you do not want to miss out on here in DJT because it's a great trade, but not a great investment. Next stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is Tesla. Now, as you all know, Tesla does have a earnings report coming here up on the 23rd, which is highly anticipated. Major drop here back on Thursday. Gap here, as you guys can see, here between $232 and that $224. I do feel as though that we're going to see a gap fill take place before earnings. I do see this thing actually returning back towards those $130 levels heading into earnings, and I do expect a earnings beat for Tesla, which can cause and will, we see it happen all the time, and that is a EV surge. We're going to see an EV surge throughout the entire sector thanks to Tesla. So other stocks that you also want to look out for here for Tesla's earnings to see a slight rally. We're talking about 7 to 15% gain. We're talking about companies like NIO. All right, consider NIO. Lucid should actually see a run as well due to a great Tesla earnings report. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, a realistic price target for Tesla end of the year, I do have this thing at $285. I do feel as though that we're going to break that 52-week high, which was set here back on July 10th. No, that was the 11th, right? July 11th. So with that being said, if you're currently holding Tesla, let me know in the comment section below. If we can get 20 comments that is Tesla, of course, we will continue to do these Tesla updates heading into the earnings. So again, do your part, drop that comment, and may the gains be with you. Want to know how to sign up for the Discord? Well, click the video on the left. And if you do want to subscribe to my main YouTube channel, click the channel link in the middle and check out my latest video on the right.